Okay, hello guys. Tayo ay nagmumukbang ngayon ng lechon manok. So, magsimba tayo. It's 4:11. Wala pa tayong suklay. Kakain muna tayo ng dinner. So, Dad went to Pollo Loco. It's like Mang Inasal. I finished the chicken wings. We have corn as side dish.
Dad, I want more corn.
Mashed potato.
Okay.
Dad, I like corn and.
Then,
Dad, I like corn and mashed
we have
potato
guacamole
both mixed
and
up
chips.
together.
Okay, well, that's not uncommon. A lot of people like mix their corn and mashed potatoes.
Huh? What did you say?
I said a lot of people like to mix up their corn and mashed potatoes
Yeah.
and eat them together.
may salsa tayo dito. Pwede yan i-partner sa ating... What is this, Dad? Corn tortilla or flour tortilla?
Corn tortillas. They are maize.
So, we have corn tortilla here.
Mm,
Pwede yan i-dip sa guacamole. Or dito. Kung gusto natin ng rice. Or carb. Mm. Pero mas bagay ito sa guacamole. Mm. Mhm. May rice na tayo. Wala pa tayong suklay.
Everyone knows that I love Coke.
So, ito na yung dinner natin. So, kapag mag-crave ako ng lechon manok, sa Pollo Loco kami pumibili. Ito lang yung lechon manok na gusto ko dito. Pollo Loco, parang Mang Inasal.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. That's yummy. I need to move the
Ang templada ng manok, parang Mang Inasal. So, bihira lang kaming mag-dinner together since that is working late. So, Monday to Friday, talagang kami lang ng mga bata.
Dad,
Kaya one weekend,
Dad, when I go to high school, what
it's
will I
either
do
Saturday or
then?
Sunday, dapat may family dinner kami. Take out para sabay kami mag-dinner. That's our family tradition every weekend, once a week. Nabusog na tayo, guys. Pero ubusin muna natin yung nandito sa plato. Sayang yan itapon. Okay? Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Yummy,